Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS RTX 4070 and 5070 Ti graphics cards. In this video, we'll dive deep into the specifications and features of both cards, highlighting what makes each one unique. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, understanding these differences will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The ASUS RTX 4070 is built on the Ada Lovelace architecture, which provides excellent performance for 1440p gaming and supports ray tracing and DLSS 3. In contrast, the RTX 5070 utilizes the newer Blackwell architecture, offering improved performance and enhanced ray tracing capabilities, along with support for DLSS 4. This architectural difference is significant for gamers looking for the latest technology and performance enhancements. When it comes to memory, the RTX 4070 features 16 GB of GDDR6X memory, which is known for its high performance and efficiency. On the other hand, the RTX 5070 boasts 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is faster and provides better bandwidth. This difference in memory technology can lead to improved performance in demanding applications and games, making the 5070 a more future-proof option. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The ASUS RTX 4070 is priced at $869, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the RTX 5070 comes with a higher price tag of $939, reflecting its advanced features and improved performance. Depending on your budget and performance needs, this price difference may influence your decision. In conclusion, both the ASUS RTX 4070 and 5070 are excellent graphics cards, each with its own strengths. The 4070 offers great performance at a lower price, while the 5070 provides cutting-edge technology and superior capabilities for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.